guy doing? Whoa. You know how much that lawnmower is, buddy?
How much?
$400.
Wow.
Dude,
Can't move it down.
what?
Can't move his feet down.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
That one is $200. $198.
Oh.
Martha, just take it easy, man. Which one is your favorite? Come see the colors. That's the yellow one. Red. 2 red. And a green one.
Some more.
Whoa. You didn't tell me which one's your favorite though. The color wise, you gotta look at all of them. There's more. But there's more to look at.
This one is scary. Like the seat goes back.
Yeah, it's got strings. Yeah. Okay, what other ones do we have on the other side? This side, this side. There's more here. What? Dude,
What?
you like that one or what?
Yep. Alright.
But you gotta pick a favorite though out of all of these. Do you go just do you just go by color or the way they look?
The way that
The way that it looks?
yeah.
So what makes this one so special?
I don't know. It's special.
Wow, that's a lot of
This
lawnmower,
one
dude.
is my favorite. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, can you stand next to this one just so I can take a quick picture of it? Right there, right there. Wow. All right. Which one you want to show me?
Why is this my favorite?
You gotta have a key to start it.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, but that's not a lawnmower. That's like a tractor almost, man.
Yeah, it's a tractor. What does this do? Oh yeah, I remember this.
Yeah, we already talked about that.
Dixie Cody.
What is this one? I guess you like the seed the best?
I'm dead. Dead.
Yeah.
I'm in Terminal 1.
Wow.
Trampoline.
How much is this one? Is there a price on it? Whoa.
1,000.
$1,498.
Now I'm in buddy mode. Now I'm in
Huh?
full mode. That's 300. Dead. I'm in full mode.
Wow.
I'm all the way up to here.
All right, dudes. I think that's it for now. Let's.
Oh, this is the cheapest one.
$300 is the cheapest one? I don't think so. I think there's $200 one too.
Oh, this is 298 and we're all 298.
There's brakes. There's brakes.
Blades, yeah, that's how it cuts the grass. Awesome. All right, dudes. Let's go. We're done here.
How to look, it goes so fast.
Wow. Okay, yeah, let's go.
I'm going with the lawnmower.
You going with the lawnmower? All right, here we go.
I'm going with the lawnmower. Can I try this?
How do you do this one?
Huh? Can I try it?
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.